So here we are, January 12th, 2023, and people are wondering what's going on in the housing market, more particularly the mortgage industry. Where are the rates today, and what do we see for the future? So it wasn't long ago we were all looking at rates down around 3-4%. Some people were able to get rates even below 3% just about a year ago now. And then came along the fall when the Fed boosted rates and rates went up to actually over 7%. And now we've passed the first of the year and people are wondering, what's going on? I hear that rates are down. That's very true. Rates have come down significantly, and with good credit, you're definitely looking at the possibility of getting rates under 6%. And we still think the Fed may raise rates one more time, a small adjustment, short-term rates, that is. And even if they do that, I don't anticipate that it's going to adversely affect the mortgage market itself. The two are kind of separate from each other for the most part. But long-range prediction, well, as long as we can predict anyways, which sometimes doesn't seem very far. But at the moment right now, I think what we're going to see is we're going to see probably a little bump up here probably maybe in February or so. And then I think as we get into the spring market, we're actually going to see rates drop back down. And my prediction at this point is that later this year, could be as early as the spring, but it's hard to say at this point. But I think we're going to see rates drop down into the more steadily into the 5 and 6% range. So I think there's good news on the horizon. I see the housing industry as a whole, mortgages and all, settling down a bit. And although inventory is still surprisingly low, we haven't seen the bump up in interest or in housing inventory yet. But I do suspect that come beginning of March, we're going to start seeing more homes trickle onto the market. And I think as we get into the later spring months, heading towards summer, I think we're going to see a bump up in inventory. It's not going to be a drastic bump up, but I think we'll see more homes coming to market than we have in the past couple of months anyway. So I think there's very good news on the horizon and some things to get excited about. And if you are thinking about entering the housing market, either as a seller or a buyer, and want to discuss your certain situation and see if it's a good time for you to maybe get into the market now, or maybe in a month or two from now, or maybe later in the summer, you might want to be thinking ahead about what your plans are. Please feel free to give me a call. Just throw me an email, text message, whatever you choose, and I'd be happy to discuss things with you. So again, you can always reach me on my cell phone, 607-759-4760. Hope you're having a great day. Take care now.